Hey everyone, it's Jake with Real Broker. Got another great home tour today. We are in a tri-point community over in Summerlin called Kings Canyon. And here's the super cool thing. So this actual model we're gonna go into is also on our page, but as the model. So you can see a lot of people say, hey, what's the price difference between building it and then the finished product? So the base on this house, I believe, is $893. That's before any type of lot premium and any type of upgrades. This house is listed at $1,190,000. So first I want to say thanks to Miguel Lopez with GK Properties. This is his listing. He led us into it today. So thanks, Miguel, appreciate it. I also have with me my very good friend Haley Wheat with Guaranteed Rate.
Hi,
so
guys.
She's a fantastic lender and she has an amazing eye for decor and whatnot. She's going to be going through the house with us. Of course, if you ever need to get in touch with me, my cell phone is 702-493-1934. You can also email me, jake@jbrelv.com, or you can visit our website to search for yourself, or if you want a free home estimate, www.jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. And always please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Comment, engage with us. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. It's all good, it doesn't matter. All right, so here's the house we're going in, and sorry if it's noisy out here. There's some construction going on and whatnot. So this is the house. I believe this is the Plan 3. It's 3,076 square feet, 4 bedrooms. It's got 3 upstairs, 1 downstairs, and a loft. And it's got this cool courtyard, and it's got a pretty nice sized backyard. So shall we go in?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna get the gate here for Haley because chivalry's not dead.
Thank you.
All right, so we're coming in. You can see we got this little courtyard here. My parents are actually here too today, so it's like a whole family affair. You guys might spot them on the inside. But Haley, like, what do you think about like this little courtyard?
I love this. I would do a little fountain right there with a little setup on the side.
Yeah, you could put
nice
some
entry,
some
plants.
shrubs or some plants over here.
Oh yeah, all along.
Probably
you could do
run
some
them
nice
out that way.
agaves.
Yeah, it'd really make it look nice and open it up
For
a bit,
sure.
huh?
For sure.
All right, cool.
Let's go in.
All right.
Love the front door. Great
Yeah, I do
detail.
love this blue door. All right.
Oh my gosh, the stairs.
I love those
Super
floating
impact.
stairwells. Yeah. All right, so we'll just pop out here. We're gonna say hi to my parents, and then we're gonna take a peek at the garage, which is so that's my mom and dad. Say hi, guys. All right.
Hello, hello.
All right, so you can see here before we go too far, we've got a cool floating stairwell here, upgraded on the railings. Just gives a great look, touch to the house, and just really kind of upscales it a whole bunch, I feel. So. All right, so this way we don't have too much going on here. One thing I do like is, you see these lights, so there's can lights all over the place. These are halo lights. So these ones have a longer life than your traditional light. Those things will last depending on which quality and level and model of them you got. Those things could go like 14 years. They usually have adjustable. Of course, we're in a downstairs bedroom here. Love that linear window. Natural light, so important.
Love it.
Yeah. Got just a slider closet over there. But yeah, those lights, you can adjust the brightness, the color, soft or bright white or whatnot.
Got a whole bathroom
Yeah,
for this
got a whole
person.
bathroom here.
So we could put a mom in here, an older kid.
Yeah,
Great first floor bedroom.
cool stuff. Like the window in there too.
Yes.
And then let's pop in this garage real quick.
Oh yeah.
So, oh, sorry, that's not a garage, that's a linen closet.
Surprise!
That's fun. That's right, the garage is on the other side of the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, all right, so this slider right here goes to that courtyard we came into, as you can see, of course. Over here where my folks are, there's like your little entertainment center there. You got a faux fireplace there that probably kicks off heat. Got a lot of windows, a lot of natural light. So important. Also, this home, Tri-Point, they put fire suppression systems in their homes. So everywhere you look, you know, if there was ever something tragic that happened.
What do you think the plug up there's for, Jake?
You know, I just saw that. I don't know. I mean, you wouldn't have a TV up there, or maybe it's some sort of. Now I'm looking around to see if there's
Maybe
another
for
one.
surround sound, or
Yeah, because you got your drops right here for surround, and there's another one behind me, and got another one right there. But
awesome. I've never seen that. That's unique.
I don't know. If it was outside, I'd be like, oh, that's where your TV's gonna go.
Yeah, or Christmas lights or something.
Yeah, who knows? So this is kind of cool. So this would be like the little formal dining room. I do like the straight finish baseboards. I think those are either 5 or 6 inch baseboards.
I do too. That vaulted.
The vaulted ceiling. That's what I was just gonna say.
Love that.
That's a cool touch, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Changes up the whole kind of look of this whole area out here, and the lines go with the modern lines of the community on the outside too. So Kind of what you see on the outside, you see on the inside. Got a big center island here, waterfall counter. Could easily knock out 3 or 4, probably 4 bar stools there.
Bar stools for sure.
It's big too, so you got a lot of room if you're entertaining to have food laid out, or drinks, cocktails, appetizers, you name it. Got our nice backsplash here. What I like too also is see how these cabinets go all the way to the roof.
Yeah,
like for this ceiling height in the kitchen, like critical to have done that. Like if they had stopped at the top right here, you'd have this 18 inches of air gap that, you know, no one's putting old plates up there or plants anymore.
Nope, no turkeys and chickens.
Yeah.
Grapes.
Got a nice hood there, 5-burner cooktop on the back, and here it'll just kind of pan out.
Ooh,
so
the sink. I love the sink.
Yeah.
One big.
If any of you guys are curious though, this comes up on a lot of home inspections. This is called an air gap. So it helps with the dishwasher if there's ever a clog and an overflow. Now if there's any plumbers and I got that wrong out here watching, like don't crucify me. Got a microwave and our oven over here.
Now we're talking pantry and garage.
Yeah, nice sized pantry. So yeah, the garage is cool. It's already got a finished floor in it. And it's pretty deep.
It's so deep. I was just going to say that. I feel like it's a third deeper than regular.
I think so too. So traditionally, probably see where that line is, the float line right there. So that's probably where it would normally end. I like that light that just popped on too.
And look here.
Yep, you spin around, you got a whole nother dimension. So it's really not just a 3-car garage.
Yeah.
I'll bet you square footage in here, this is definitely 3+.
Sure.
If you just went to like what it specs out. Now that little there thingy on the wall, if you're curious, that's a tankless hot water heater. And that would be your soft water loop right there, because we live in the desert and we have a lot of hard water out here. Also, you note out here in the backyard, we have 2 sliders, but let's go take a peek. It's a nice sized backyard. You could do a lot. We'll peek over the wall because the neighbors are putting in a pool. So you can kind of see, you know, I mean, you could have a pool, a fire pit, if you don't want a pool, or you could have a pool, probably even a small Sqft or a sports court back here too.
Oh yeah, built-in kitchen, there's plenty of space.
Yeah, and we're a high side, low side lot. So we're on the high side behind us. This is a single story home, but as you can see, we just see a bit of the roof line. From the upstairs balcony, you do have some strip and mountain views. Do have a 2-story next to us on each side, but nice big lot.
Love
Comes
it.
with a covered patio. And here, we won't try to make it too obvious, but you can see how much additional room there is, like just with this house behind us. And I think we got about the same amount of feet in the backyard. So I don't know, Haley, you could do a lot back here, huh?
I love it. This is a perfect size. You can do so much. Great, versatile, big rectangle.
Yeah.
Love it.
I love
And
what you
meets up
guys
with the
did in your
side there.
space. I can only imagine what you do in this one.
Well, this one to me says you have to have a pool.
Yes, absolutely. All right, so let's float up these floating stairwells, shall we?
Yes, my favorite upgrade. Love these stairs.
So I want to point out, you see all these little things in the walls right here. I can only assume those are for stairwell lighting because they're about every 2-3 steps.
Which would make sense with the floating stair to be safe.
Mm-hmm. So we got a loft, nice size loft. One thing I noticed what I like about it, I love how the geometry of the windows all like converge in the corner.
Love that, and the view of the mountains.
Oh yeah.
Yay, love good views.
So cool views. And of course you have no wall there, so it's like open air downstairs, just creates a nice volume, good space. Lots of lighting, so.
And upstairs laundry.
Yep, you don't have to lug it up and down those stairs.
Yep, I love that.
All right, we'll quickly peek into these secondary rooms. Now when they built this house, they didn't put any lights in the ceiling in bedroom 2 and 3. I don't know why. They should have.
They should have for sure. Good size closet though.
Yeah. What is that, like 10-foot ceilings up here, I believe it is. So secondary bedrooms. Here you got those same windows you see. Look, that's a sick mountain view kind of cutting through there.
Yeah, that's Red Rock.
Pretty neat.
Love it. Same windows as the loft.
And we got these, I've seen it, there's a couple now. I've seen these high outlets.
We are going to have to get to the bottom of what those are for. We're missing some big.
I don't know that I've seen them.
I have never seen that.
Maybe see something once or twice, but like I've seen multiple ones now. So, all right, that's the laundry room. So nothing too crazy about it. Oh, it does have a sink in it, so we'll take a peek at that. You got additional storage.
Cabinets. Yep.
Got these flat finish cabinets. Soft shut. Super neat. All right. Oh, I love linear windows too. So we're heading into the primary. So one thing I like about it is I think it's well proportioned in size. You get too big of a bedroom nowadays, and it's like, how do you furnish it with all, you know?
Right. You'd have to put a bunch of extra stuff in a sitting area. This is a perfect size.
Yeah, you got a high outlet at 66 inches, so if you have a dresser there and a TV mounted, you should have no cords.
Yep.
We'll take a peek in the balcony real quick out here, and then
Yeah,
we
I
may as
think
well
there's
go.
a bit of a strip view there.
Yeah. So that's Red Rock Casino. Oh, you can see it. Oh, sorry, folks. Thanks for staying tuned.
Yeah, peek
Cool.
straight through there. Got yourself some strip down there.
Now I do like the primary closet too. So something that not all builders do, but they do with Tri-Point. So coming into the bathroom, of course you get to see me. You guys like to do that. Got 2 sinks, both under mount. Got a little mount right there for a custom light. Plus you have your 2 little can lights on the ceiling.
Yep.
Humongous walk-in shower.
Oh, so gorgeous. And the horizontal windows again.
Yep.
Love it. High enough that
I always say you could
not
have
seen anything.
a party in a big shower like that. And the closet, so I love windows in the closet. That's fantastic. But what's cool is you get all this, you know, instead of just your standard, really bare, basic looking hardware in the closet, like it comes a little bit dressed up here. You got some drawers, and one thing Haley pointed out to me was she loves this bend on this rail.
Love that curve.
Yeah.
Use
So
all the space.
right
Don't
on.
forget the outlet on the floor. That's so cool.
So
You can put a
outlet on the
fan-
floor. We have to assume if you're going to put an island or something to display
Yeah,
your
a lamp
your
too.
handbags,
You might
yeah.
want something, some other light.
You don't have to have a cord running all over the place. So, well, shoot, did we miss anything, Haley? Or?
No, but one thing I think is worth pointing out is there's not a lick of carpet in this house, which is huge for me. I love the wood floors throughout until the bathrooms. You've got some tiles, so not a lick of carpet. Love that.
Yeah,
Super
totally
clean.
agree. All right, well, this brings us to the end. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to put Haley's information in the comments below, or the information below. So if you ever want to talk to a mortgage lender and you want to talk to a great one, you got Haley and her team. So as always, if you need to get in touch with me, 702-493-1934. You can email me, jake@jbrelv.com, or our website, www.jakeburkettrealestatelv.com. Please subscribe, like, comment, good and the bad, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks so much for joining us.
Bye.
Bye, Haley.